Happy Mother's Day! Ayan. Dito kami pinadpad. Malapit-lapit kasi. So, dito na lang muna kami sa may Vista Mall. Sila yung kasama ko. Happy Mother's Day, Kathleen. Kathleen, Happy Mother's Day, Kathleen. Happy Mother's Day, Kathleen.